I received this question last week, and I'm going to show you how I formulated the answer. So the question is, I need a formula that'll put a specific letter with the first 5 rows in a cell, and the first 5 rows must be the same value. But if it have a 6th row, then the next will automatically put the next letter. And also, he wants that when the number changes, it should go back to A automatically. So here's the step 1 that I did, is I counted. So what I did here is I counted, so I counted if, and I counted within this range of numbers, and so the top number is absolutely referenced. And so if you go down, so it's E2 right now, where it is E2, but it's like it starts with E2 and goes to E6. So how many times does this occur in this range? And so I go count if it's less than 5, then D7, which is the number that it's there initially, and A. The alternate to that, you do D7 plus character code of the number that's above it plus 1, so it's going to increment it to B. So if you look here, it works 5. The first 5 are A, and then it changes to B, and then it goes back to A again. Oops, something's wrong here. So now the next thing I figured out is we're not testing to make sure that these two are the same. So in my final formula, what I did, I'll unhide this. So I qualify each one with if this one equals the one above, and so if this one equals the one above, then you do the same thing, count, make sure it's under 5, then you D3 plus the character code of the number above you, and the character code plus 1. And then if all of this is not equals 3, if it starts with a new number, then you start again with A. So there you have the answer, and it's working fine. So here's the first 5, and you have A, and then you go to the next 4, and you have B, and then the number changes, and you have A. This took me a while to figure out. Let me give you the whole formula here. So this was hard to calculate, but basically we're counting, and then we're checking to make sure the two numbers are the same, and we're incrementing the character code, which is the A, B, C, by 1. This is how I figured it out. Please subscribe.